How to contact Instagram customer service. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. So previously, to contact Instagram customer service, you could have simply opened Instagram and then searched for Instagram's official page like this, and then tap on a message, and you could just send a message to Instagram to connect with the customer service. However, as you can see with the new update, you're not able to send message to Instagram directly. So for this, what you want to do now is open up Play Store, and from here you want to search for Instagram. Once you search for it, you want to scroll down a bit and you want to head over to developers contact. So once you tap here, you're going to find the email address for Instagram. So you want to copy this email address and you can simply tap on it and it's going to open up in your Gmail, and you can simply send customer care your query or any of your issues. So you can send a mail to them directly in this way. And that is how you can contact Instagram customer service. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.